Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3, question number 8. If the sum of first n terms of AP is nothing but 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find third, 10th and nth term of the series. So, he given the sum of n terms of the series, that is Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, and he was asking to find what is the first term of the series, what is the sum of two terms. Next he is asking to find the second term and also third term as well as the 10th term as well as the nth term of the series. So now we will calculate the sum of first term. So S1 is nothing but first term of the series or sum of first term. So that is 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 into 1 is nothing but 4. 1 square is 1 again. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So this is nothing but the first term of the series. So that is nothing but the first term of the series. Now sum of two terms is nothing but 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 into 2 is nothing but 8 minus 2 square is nothing but 4. 8 minus 4 is nothing but 4 again. This is nothing but sum of two terms S2. Now S3, 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 9 3 square is nothing but 9 here. Okay, 12 minus 9 is nothing but how much difference? 3 is the difference. Okay, next S4, 4 into 4 minus 4 square it is. 4 4 is 16 minus 16. Okay, so it is 0. So what I am getting here, first I am getting the first term of the series is nothing but 3. Okay, S2 is 4, S3 is 3, S4 is nothing but 0. Okay, just you see here, S1 sum of first term is nothing but first term of AP series, that is 3. S2 means A1 plus A2 together S2, sum of first two terms. S2 means sum of first two terms A1 plus A2. We know the value of A1, that is 3. So now we have to find the value of A2, that is equal to 4. So send that 3 to right side. 4 minus 3, that is nothing but 1. Second term of the series is nothing but 1. Similarly, we have to find the third term of the series. Okay, third term of the series is nothing but sum of three terms is given, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3. Sum of first three terms equal to 3 here. So we know that A1 is nothing but 3, A2 is nothing but 1. So we need A3. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. If you send that 4 to right side, it becomes 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore the third term of the series is nothing but minus 1. So now we will find S4. S4 is nothing but sum of four terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, that is equal to 0. We got here sum of four terms is nothing but 0. So now here we know the value of A1. A1 is nothing but 3, A2 is nothing but 1, A3 is nothing but minus 1. That is equal to 0. So plus 1 minus 1 is going to cancel. Plus 3 is going to right side. It becomes minus 3. Okay. Therefore, here the series is 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3 and so on. So in this he is asking the first term of the series, that is a is equal to 3. Sum of two terms s2, just now we calculated, that is s2 is nothing but 4. First term plus second term, the addition will give you 4, and second term of the series, that is equal to 1. Third term of the series, that is equal to minus 1. And he was asking to find the 10th term. So 10th term is nothing but, first general formula, nth term of AP series is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the general term or nth term of AP series. So now you substitute the values. He is asking 10th term. So A10 is nothing but, first term is 3, 10 minus 1. What is the difference here? Difference is nothing but T2 minus T1, 1 minus 3, that is nothing but minus 2. So minus 2 here. 3 plus 9 times minus 2. So 3 plus, okay, plus into minus is minus 18. So minus 15 is the 10th term of AP series. And he was asking to find nth term. An we have to find. A is nothing but 3 here. N value we don't know. Minus 2 is the difference. Okay. 3 plus into minus is minus. 2 into n is nothing but 2n. Minus into minus is plus 2. 5 minus 2n. So this is the value of nth term of the given series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.